This is what I'm talking about. It's pretty deep. It's to here. The water stuck in the front, and this stock need to be repaired. If it is long enough, the water gonna rust the front deck and make become a waste trailer. I found an interesting thing here. Someone put a tape end here so the water stocks. Even we have drawn a hole here. So please do drill those drilling holes. Make sure the water goes to the bottom so you can drill all of them. Then you would have a clean and a dry deck. It won't rust. See those paint cannot protect the trailer very well. It still have something inside. Is it still draining? Oh, okay. All right. Please do not keep it over there. Just throw it away.